So this is the view out of my home office. I work at my desk, and then I go check and see on the birds. Here's a view from outside. So from outside on the patio, I have my 600 millimeter set up. The jacuzzi is unused, and it's a beautiful overcast day, which is basically perfect for photography and videography. Little fountain that the birds like to sit in, use the water, take a bath, and then a whole bunch of food, bringing them in. So let's see what we can catch today. There's a female cardinal. She hears my voice. Enjoying a little water. Yeah, it's nice to give these guys something in the desert. She doesn't know what to make out of my voice. What is that big lens looking at me for? Pretty cool. That's a male house finch chilling in the morning. Basically hoping I leave so that he can come back and eat his bird food. And now there's a little goldfinch enjoying the fountain, giving himself a little bath. Oops, almost fell. Is there anyone down here? No, it's by his lonesome. There we go. That looks like a young house finch. He's scared. Nice overcast day today. It was a little sunny earlier, but now it's better. And here we have a cactus wren. Just chilling on the highest peak of the cactus behind my yard. Oops, there he goes. This is a curved-billed thrasher. Checking things out, wondering what the hell I'm doing behind this lens. He wants to get to the food. He's not quite sure he should try. They're pretty. They look angry. And they are kind of sassy, actually. They chase each other around, but they're pretty cool. We got a flicker. He's big. This lens is too big for him. They always make a bunch of noise. This one's a female. Not a flicker, excuse me. Here's another curved-billed thrasher. I think I have too much lens. I can't get these guys in the frame. I've got a 1.4 converter on this. He didn't like hearing my voice. So peaceful right now, actually. There is a male lesser goldfinch, a little off in the distance. I'm wondering what this guy is doing behind the lens. I'll wait till he comes closer. The male goldfinch now moved to the little sack feeder I got. They like to sit on the side and eat rather than on a regular feeder. She is still sitting there looking pretty. Hasn't quite made up her mind yet. Gorgeous. Yep, I'm talking. But you're safe. That is my jacuzzi heating up. There's an owl with a cactus out of his head. Oops, that's one of my planters. And we now have a white-crowned sparrow visiting. with a male house finch in the background. Here he is, front and center, the white-crowned sparrow. I wonder how he got his name. Instead of going to the feeder, he's picking up the trash that everybody dumps. Now she's here front and center. Come on, give me a good pose. Gorgeous. This is a red-shouldered sparrow, rufous-shouldered sparrow. Where did he go? There he is, on the feeder. Another new face. I wish you'd get on the other side of that so I could see you. Wow.